everyone, welcome to Hampton Your House. My name is Belle and my channel is all about bringing the Coastal Hamptons vibe to your house one DIY at a time. So if that sounds like your thing, I would love for you to subscribe by clicking the red button and hitting the bell so you'll know when a new video is up. I have a pretty simple project for you today. We're going to make a sign, like the ones that you may have seen that usually have a place name on them, like the Hamptons for example, kind of like an old-fashioned street sign. The frame came from IKEA. You may have seen it in my affordable Hampton style haul video. And with just a few adjustments, I'm going to show you how to make it into a really cute addition to your home decor.
Firstly, do your fingernails a favour and use a butter knife to bend back the little tabs. The mat board in this frame is set up for 3 pictures, but we are going to make it into one big frame. There is a special tool for cutting these perfectly, but I'm going to give it a go with a Stanley knife and a ruler. I decided to cut the middle pieces out, so I had a few test strips to try my skills on first. If you want yours to be 100% perfect, you can go to a framing shop and they can cut one to the right size and shape for you. Remember to angle your knife at about a 45-degree angle. Using a ruler should help with this. Once you have your mat board frame, get a large sheet of black cardboard and we're going to create a second border out of this. Place your mat board frame exactly in the corner of the black cardboard and trace around it. Then cut out your cardboard. Next, measure 2 centimeters in on every side on the inside of the mat board frame. Then join the dots and draw your rectangle and cut out the center. With the black border in place, this frame will fit an A3 page. Next, decide what you want your sign to say. My hubby came up with this one, but you might want yours to say a street name, a city name, a verse or a saying like Home Sweet Home. I've made a couple of different ones. So if you design your wording on the computer on an A4 page, change the view to 141%, which is A3 size. Then hold your black frame up to the screen to make sure your letters will all fit in. Then you can print your design on A4 and get the newsagent to photocopy it to A3 for you. Once you have your A3 pages, place the frame over it in the right place, then trace the top and bottom edge and cut them off. Line up your words with the frame again and use some tape to hold it in place. Give the inside of your glass a quick clean with some Windex or glasses cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Then pop all your pieces in, secure the back, and we're all done.
love these signs. There is so much scope for creativity with these, and they're really simple to make. In the future, I would definitely use higher quality paper to print on, but in the meantime, the thinner white paper works fine too. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Hampton Your House for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you again in my next video, guys. Bye.